Hello guys, how are you? I hope you are well and doing good in your projects. There is a one point in SAP production planning, that is a backflash. Why we are using the backflash? So backflash basically is a provision to issue your BOM component in your order automatically. Okay, so basically when we are creating the routing, when we are creating in operation level, there is a allocation is there, component allocation. So we are going there and we are selecting the line number, we are assigning the operation number, and the small box will open. We have to check, we have to put the check mark there. So all component will be the backflashed. Okay, if you will not maintain the backflash, what will happen when you try to do the confirmation production order or process order CO11N or COR6N? That time if you go to the goods movement, the component will not display if you will not assign the backflash. Okay, if you assign the backflash, your component will be display, and as per the requirement, if your stock is available for that component in storage location, the required quantity will be consumed when you do the goods movement. Okay, the movement type will be 261. If you will not maintain the backflash, there is a one more provision. You can do the goods issue or goods withdraw in MIGO transaction, MIGO. You select the goods issue, put the order number, all your BOM component will display. Okay, so through the 261 movement, you can consume all the BOM component. So this is the importance of backflash. If you maintain the backflash, then all your BOM component will display in the production order confirmation screen in goods movement. Okay, if you will not maintain the backflash, then you can withdraw or goods issue through the MIGO transaction. So there is a two way. One is a MIGO, through MIGO T-code transaction you can do the your goods withdraw, goods issue, and another is PP side, because MIGO is coming through the MM side, materials management, and production order confirmation through CO11N or COR6N, you can do the goods issue or goods withdraw through 261 movement. So this is the importance of backflash, very important. Mostly this question asked in the PP interview. Okay, if you have any questions, any query, you can message me, and like and subscribe my YouTube channel and short video. Thank you so much.